Guys, welcome to Sicily, featuring some constant buzzing. We're trying to figure out what this is. Hi, Adrienne.
Hi. It's been a yonder moment.
It truly has.
I'm camera shy now.
Aw.
I used to be like, put me in the video, and now I'm like,
no. So, welcome to this travel vlog. It's currently like 6:30ish p.m. and Adrienne and I flew into Catania today, so we had an overnight flight from LA. And we're just gonna go get some dinner and we will tell you more of what we're doing this week soon. We are in Sicily! We did a quick Google search, found a place we're gonna eat dinner, and I'm just so excited.
I'm so excited. I'm like chugging.
I forget that like in Italy wine is so cheap because they like make so much of it here. And then we're gonna try to figure out what to order. Our Italian's terrible.
Our Italian sucks, and I'm like, just smile and nod.
Welcome to morning number 1, day 2 in Catania. The reason we are in Sicily, we got here a day early, but starting tonight we are actually meeting up with our Contiki tour group. So if you're not familiar with Contiki or you have not watched my like travel vlogs for years and years and don't know what like a group travel company is, Contiki is for anyone ages 18 to 35 and they have just like a bunch of different trip itineraries. We are doing their Real Sicily one, which kicks off tonight at 4 p.m. We are very excited. This is today's outfit. Oh my gosh. They're calling on the dot. We just walked a couple of minutes to the Piazza del Duomo. My first Aperol Spritz. Alright, we just made it to the next hotel in Catania, so this is where the tour we're going to be on officially kicks off. We move to a new city tomorrow, and then basically we're spending 1 to 2 nights in every city we're going to, and just like bopping around all of Sicily. So speedy little hotel room tour. This is what it looks like. Simple and cute. This is all our group. This is our tour guide, Remy. We're back in the main square. We just had a little breakfast and we are heading to our next city. What I really love about booking these trips is that you just get to show up without having to think about a single thing. You don't have to put any time into planning, like literally just booking the trip, and you show up and all of the hotels are reserved for you. Like you have transportation in between each city. You have all of these excursions that are either included or like optional to choose from, and you just get to be a part of a lot of really cool experiences with a group of like-minded people that are always really fun. So if you are interested in checking out this tour or any others, I'll have some other ones linked below that I've been on as well, but you can save $100 off any trip with the code Contiki Morgan. I think you have to do this on your desktop to like find the thing for that to enter, I believe.
So it should be about just over an hour drive. A very short drive today. You can take a funicular down, and there's like more restaurants and like a nice beach as well. So
we just got on the cable car. A little unnerving, but it's fine. Then we're gonna go down to the beach and we have a few hours there.
Oh my god.
Just made it to the beach. And this is like peak coastal Italy, like exactly what I've seen all over Pinterest. The water feels great, but there are some jellyfish, so we're steering clear, but look at this view. So we went and took some pics, which I think was a success. So now we're gonna order a drink to our seats, and we have like an hour and a half until we meet back up with our group to go check into our next hotel in the city. And then tonight there was an optional excursion, which was a cooking class that we chose to sign up for. So we're gonna go make some Sicilian delicacies, which is gonna be very fun. And I'm just so happy. It's like my favorite part. I could come to the beach every single day and just thrive. Lunch is served, sipping on this drink. It's called a Hugo. It's like similar to an Aperol Spritz, except instead of Aperol, it's Saint Germain. Adrienne had a pina colada, but she slurped that down real quick.
Like, I was so thirsty.
Guys, we just got to the next hotel, and this is our view. Tonight there's an optional excursion. It's a cooking class. This is tonight's fit. Wow, thank you.
Wow, I thought of
saving my
something.
life. All right, we're late. Off to dinner. Gonna go cook.
Sorry, Mark.
What are we making? Arancini and cannoli.
The original flavor of the rice is saffron.
I'm gonna help you. Just kidding. I don't need to mix.
Let's mix it out. Yes. We try the rice.
Typical Sicilian arancino in Sicily is come from Catania. Is with a mixed sauce.
Here's my finished one. You have a bunch of toppings you can put in it. I put this like pistachio pesto, mozzarella, and eggplant. Thank you. All this video. That up there is the volcano. I'm confused. Is it erupting or not? What did you say?
You know, a song just came into my head.
What song?
Cruella de Vil. Cruella de Vil.
Do you remember one time? I already know what you're gonna say. One time our power was out when we were roommates. Is this what you're gonna say? One time the power was out for like an entire day. We had exhausted everything we could possibly do. And so literally we're laying on the couch, like our phones are dead. Like there's nothing we can do but just exist. And I like had a cup of water and I was like tapping on it and I was like, no, I just forgot the song. Oh yeah.
For a second I did too, and then I was like, wait, I'm scooting back because my torso is so long. Like
I like had this glass, and out of nowhere, a song came to mind, and I tapped on the glass. I'm gonna do it for you all, and let me know if you can guess this song. Like immediately,
I just was like, ding
dong,
dong, the witch is dead.
And she was like, what? Ding dong, the witch is dead.
That was just like a same wavelength moment. Anyway,
was.
that's why I thought you'd
But-
appreciate that Cruella de Vil was just
Yeah,
in my head.
absolutely.
But
I
you
always
also-
had like the grand old flag. That was what was always stuck. We used to be making breakfast.
Literally like once every 2 weeks, Morgan would be like, guess what song? It's just can't get out of my head. And it would literally be
Always
like the grand old flag.
We just got back from our little cooking class dinner evening. Actually, most of the group just went to this hotel. We haven't even seen it. I want to see it tomorrow because I think it'd
Yeah,
be-
I want to see the
like this
pool.
place is really pretty.
Yeah.
But there's like a pool at the hotel and I guess a bar there, and a bunch of people went to get drinks there.
Yeah.
But we thought we
so-
would edit.
Yeah, I know. Woo!
Yeah,
Well, it's
wild.
like at dinner I was like having energy, and then I had one glass of wine, and I was like.
We're doing a really cool volcano excursion. I will talk to you about tomorrow.
Also, as you saw, the volcano is magma-ing.
Oh yeah.
Currently.
Crazy. Anyways, a good night. Volcano here. Last night we saw like lava. It's not like exploding. I was a little Oh, I thought that was happening. You can just like see at night like a red glow. We're gonna go there and we're like taking a bus up to like certain lookout points. I think some walking is involved. And then we go straight from there back to the main town that we spent some time in yesterday and just kind of have free time. Adrienne, how you feeling? I'm feeling pretty good. We slept for like 4 hours.
They're like volcano shit. I'm like hikers.
Just walked from those tiny people all the way down. While in Sicily, I want to try granita, which is just like a little like frozen slushy thing, because it's a staple thing here. We are now back at the same beach as yesterday for a little lunch. We're now back at the beach. Yesterday, I feel like this was so much busier, but also I'm noticing I don't think it's like quite peak Italy tourism season yet, because like this is like the first kind of beachy chair company you reach when you like come onto this beach, but then there's a couple others like down the beach that way that are like super empty. So I imagine these all get full later in the summer, but if you're thinking about coming here, perhaps like, what month is it? May? Like late May even. But it is later in the day. Apparently it closes at 6, so we got a deal on the chairs today, which are typically €15. We got them for 2 for 1, so that's nice. And then we just ordered another drink here, and we have our same waiters yesterday, and I'm just so happy because this is so pretty. Now we're at another beach that, at least when I was looking up like the different cities for this trip, when I googled Taormina, this is like the spot that came up where from over here, I guess it might be a little higher tide, but you can still kind of see it. There's an island right there, and there's like a pathway that's very shallow that in low tide like completely comes above the water, and you can just like walk across, and even in like right now it's kind of covered, but it's very shallow, so you can just walk. As you can see, it's just a little popular beachy spot.